Password managers are essential for simplifying remote work by securely storing and managing your passwords, making your online work life much easier. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to use password managers to streamline your remote work experience while keeping your account safe. Whether you're managing multiple work accounts or just looking for a way to improve your security, you've come to the right place. Stick around till the end because I'll share a secret offer that will help you get started with the best password manager for your needs. First off, let's talk about what a password manager actually does. Simply put, it stores your passwords in an encrypted vault so you don't have to remember every single one. It can automatically fill in your login credentials on websites and apps, saving you time while reducing the risk of using weak or repetitive passwords. Imagine never needing to reset a password again. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Here's the first thing you need to do. Pick a password manager. There are a lot of options out there, but for this video, we'll be using a software that's both secure and easy to use for remote work. The best part? You don't need to worry about complicated setups. Just sign up and the software will guide you through the process. You can start adding your passwords and organizing them by work, personal, or other categories. Once you've got your account set up, the real power of the password manager comes in. You can install a browser extension or a desktop app, and then whenever you visit a website that you've saved credentials for, it'll automatically log you in. This is perfect for remote workers who need to juggle a dozen different logins across different platforms. No more struggling with multiple tabs or remembering your login details when you're in the middle of a task. Another great feature to take advantage of is multi-device syncing. This allows you to access your passwords from any device, whether you're working from home, at a coffee shop, or traveling. All you need is an internet connection, and you can pull up your passwords anywhere you go. This is crucial for remote workers who often switch between computers, tablets, and phones. Now, let's talk about security, which is of course a top priority. Password managers encrypt your data, meaning even if someone were to hack into your account, they wouldn't be able to access your information without your master password. This extra layer of protection gives you peace of mind, especially if you're working with sensitive information. Plus, most password managers offer features like two-factor authentication to add even more security. But wait, there's one more trick you should know: password generation. A good password manager can automatically generate strong, unique passwords for every account you create, so you don't have to worry about making them up yourself. This means you'll be using passwords that are complex and much harder to crack, making your remote work environment more secure. And here's the best part. I've partnered with a password manager that offers a special free trial for viewers of this channel. You can try it out for yourself and see how it can simplify your remote work. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth it. So let's do a quick recap. Password managers save you time and protect your data by securely storing your passwords. You can easily log into websites, sync across devices, and use strong, unique passwords for each account. Plus, with added layers of security like encryption and two-factor authentication, you can work remotely with confidence. Here's your key takeaway. A password manager is a game changer for remote workers. It simplifies your life by organizing your passwords, automating logins, and securing your accounts. If you want to get started, make sure you check out the free trial in the description. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.